Okay, changing the headlight on an R1150 RT. Kind of a bitch. We're gonna try to get the cover off. Like so. Okay. Now, okay. There's a little tab right here that needs to go to the top. So it essentially goes in like this. Okay, once you get it down inside there, it's going like that. Okay, and that's gonna kind of go up underneath the little spring tab, and then the little things clip down over it. Kind of a bitch. This is where the fog lights are. Pull this rubber cap off. Undo the plug. It's got like a little plastic cover on it. That's got to come off on the plug itself, just to make it extra difficult. Ugh. Okay, that's off. There we go. And there's the bulb. That's where the light goes. You can kind of see the spring clip in there. Or maybe I can... There. That's the spring clip. So this little clip here is what holds the bulb in. There's a squared off part and more of a rounded hole here. And if you look inside there, you'll see that there's a corresponding tabs to line up with. I'm going to put this little gizmo back over the plug. All right. And that's that. Do that again on the other side.